Have you ever added text in Canva and then struggled to get it in just the right spot? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to move and perfectly align your text boxes in Canva like a pro. Let's get started. First, open your Canva project and click on the text box you want to make. You'll see a border appear around it. That means it's selected. Now, simply click and drag the text box anywhere on your design. As you drag, Canva will show smart guides, those purple lines that help you align the text box with other elements on your canvas. If you want more precise control, use your keyboard's arrow keys to nudge the text box slightly in any direction. This trick is super helpful when you're trying to make small adjustments or line up multiple text boxes perfectly. You can also use Canva's position tool found in the top toolbar. Click on it and you'll see alignment options like center, top, bottom, left, and right. You can even choose tidy up to evenly space multiple text boxes at once. This keeps everything looking clean and professional without guessing or eyeballing it. And here's a quick tip. If you want to move several text boxes together, hold down Shift while selecting them, then drag or align them as a group. That's it. Moving and aligning text in Canva is simple once you know these shortcuts. With just a few clicks, you can make your design look polished, balanced, and ready to share. If you found this tutorial helpful, stick around for more Canva tips and tricks that make your design workflow faster and easier. See you in the next one.